Honorable Kelechi Wogu. I represent the people of Ichie-Omuma constituency. I'm from Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation. Let me rely on Order 8-5 to move a motion of urgent public importance on need to investigate the cause of the death of a 4-year-old school boy, Master Miguel Omoke. I so move.
Any seconder? Honorable Usman.
Right honorable colleagues, my name remains Honorable Architect Usman Murtala Banye, member representing people of Batagarawa, Cheren-Chirimi Federal Constituency from Katsina State. I rise to second the motion. I'm at the first leg of the motion moved by my honorable colleague. I so second.
Part of this motion should say aye. Aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. The second leg. If you are from my state, I'm from my senatorial zone, you are free to stand up and second.
Kelechi from Rivers State. I so second, Mr. Speaker. Thank you very much.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. Honorable Kelechi, please proceed.
Urgent need to investigate the cause of the death of a 4-year-old schoolboy, Master Miguel Omoke. The House knows that the 4-year-old Miguel Omoke was a pupil of Brick Hall School, Abuja. Right on music, I will also note that Miguel Omoke was dropped in the school on the 24th of April 2024 by his mother. Disturbed that the young innocent child was reported dead under suspicious circumstances, which the school was unable to explain up to date. Worried that the parents of this deceased boy suspect a cover-up by the school authority in collaboration with the Nigerian police. Concerned about the traumatic effect of the sudden death of this little boy, Miguel Omoke, on the family and that of the classmates. Right on this week, I am further concerned about the negative image this act will leave on our country in the sympathy of nations if such is not addressed. Mr. Speaker, we pray as follows. Observe a minute silence in honor of this deceased young Miguel Omoke. Constitute a special ad hoc committee to investigate the circumstances leading to this untimely death of this young little boy and report back within 4 weeks. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Before I put the question, is there anyone who wants to amend the prayer? Or we're good to go? Are we good to go? Okay. Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. This motion is referred to another committee to be set up in due course to investigate this matter. Please shall we rise for a minute silence. May their soul rest in peace.